welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you how to upgrade Windows 10 operating system to Windows 11 absolutely free. Actually, Windows 11 comes with a very new look and overall user interface has been completely changed. Okay, yeah, so before going to the upgrade procedure, let's discuss about best features in Windows 11. Yeah, this is how the Windows 11 looks like. The first great feature is Start menu. This is available from the middle. Yeah, if you see, this is available from the middle. And if you also observe, Windows icon is also changed. We can also move this Start menu towards left side, same as Windows 10. Another important thing is light rails also gone. When you click on Start menu in Windows 10, you can see light rails moving around, but in Windows 11 it is plain and a neat look. This is the one great feature, and another great feature is Android apps. Now in the Windows 11, Android apps also available. We can directly install Android apps from the Microsoft Store, and we can play with it. Yeah. Another great feature is different screen layouts. In Windows 10, actually we have 4 screen layouts, but Windows 11 comes with 6 screen layouts. It's more than, we can run more than 4 apps at a time, and we can do multitasking with this screen layouts option quickly and easily. And Windows 11 comes with a new dark and light themes. We have combination of light and dark themes, which gives a pretty look and better feel. Yeah, another great feature is Auto HDR. This is for gaming lovers. Actually, it adjusts light and color to the games automatically for the better visual experience. If you see in the page, this is before Windows 11, and Auto HDR comes in Windows 11. Another great feature is new icon layout. The icon interface is completely new and it just looks like a Mac icons. But so it's not a complete Mac icons, it just looks like Mac icons. These are the new features in the Windows 11 operating system. Okay, and yeah, we have forgot to say, like in the Microsoft Windows 11, Microsoft Teams comes with a built-in application. Nowadays, this application is used widely in the organizations for meetings, calls, and texting purpose. Okay, now we have discussed about the new features in the Windows 11. Let us also discuss about minimum requirements for upgrading the system. Processor. Actually, Windows 11 is not compatible with 32-bit processor architecture. It supports only 64 processor architecture with minimum speed of 1 GHz and a minimum 2 secure cores. Windows 11, its minimum RAM should be 4 GB and minimum hard disk space should be 64 GB, and firmware should be capable of support of UEFI, means Unified Extensive Firmware Interface, and secure boot. And the minimum display size should be 720 megapixel with HD resolution, that is a 9 inches. Graphics card, DirectX 12 compatible graphics, WDDM 2.x, TPM Trusted Platform Module version 2.0. Okay, so now we have discussed about the minimum requirements, and we have discussed about the new features in the Windows 11. Okay, now just so let us discuss about how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Yeah, for the first thing, like if your laptop or PC is eligible for this Windows 11 or not. So if you want to check this status, you can download the application from the below URL and install in your laptop or PC. Once you install the application, just please open. The app looks like this. Okay. If you click on check now, just operating system will verify whether your laptop or PC is eligible to upgrade this Windows 11 or not. Okay, and if this update is not available for your system, you will get the message as no, this PC can't run Windows 11 message, and you will not be able to upgrade your Windows operating system. If suppose if we get like if your system is eligible, so you'll get the below window, and we need to follow few simple steps to start the upgrade process. Okay, now let's start the upgrade process. For that, you just go to settings from the start search and open update and security from the settings tab, and then just click on Windows Insider Program option. Here you can see the Windows Insider Program option. So once you click on this option, so you get a window. You just click on get started. Okay, and here you will have to log in with your Microsoft email ID. If you don't have, you just create a email ID with the outlook.com. And in my case, I'm just giving an example. So I have an email account with outlook.com, and so with the outlook.com extension, it is a Microsoft account, so we can register with that account. So after you register, once you register with your email ID, you will get three options. Okay, from the below window you can see those three options. Here if you see, we have three options. One is Dev channel, another one is Better channel, and the last one is Release Preview channel. Here, Dev channel means if you want to experience the new Windows 11 user interface, firstly among the world, before coming into the market, so you can experience this. Okay, you can try this option, but you may face some issues or small bugs with it. You need to identify and report to Microsoft so that they can fix those bugs with the new updates. Okay, and so coming to second option is a Better channel. Like if you don't want to risk, so you can wait for 2 to 3 months and get the Windows 11 Better channel. Here most of the bugs will be minimized, and so you will have very less bugs in it. So if you want to upgrade to Windows 11 operating system, this is the best recommended option. You can experience all Windows features here. And coming to third option, that is Release Preview channel. This is the final release. You can get this in 2 weeks before it comes into the market. Okay, once you select the option, you just click on confirm. Okay, and once you click on confirm, so you need to restart your system and verify Windows Insider Program. Now the same three options will be available from the list. You can also change your required options or previous selected options from here. Okay, once it is done, the update setup process is done. Okay, whenever Microsoft release the update, so you will get the update and you can upgrade it to Windows 11 directly. So I hope so you like this video. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, I request you to please share it with your friends. Stay tuned to my channel to get latest updates. Thank you.